Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Relay panel van in L3 H2 configuration. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nanocoat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is in the Enterprise trim level, comes with electrically adjustable mirrors. As I mentioned before, it's in L3 H2 configuration, so you have an elongated wheelbase and a heightened roofline. At the back, you have the two barn-style opening doors and parking sensors fitted over the bumper. And then over to the curb side, you have the sliding door. Let's take a look into the cargo area now. Once you access the rear, you have a full metal bulkhead and lighting fixtures over the roofline to be more accurate. Size-wise, you have 148 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, an extensive 195 centimeters to the lowest point of the roof, and a massive 364 of fully usable floor space for your cargo. Let's take a look into the cabin. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat, fitted with an adjustable armrest, covered in leatherette, and also the center seat can be quickly turned into a picnic table with document holder. Over the dashboard, you have storage solutions spanning the whole width, cup holders as well, some more storage space down the bottom, and one over the center. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have 2 analog clocks and a digital trip computer, which can be adjusted through the controls over here. More on that later. Over the left hand side, you have the stalk for the lighting and the cruise control stalk, while over to the right you have the wiper stalk and the multifunction steering wheel, all dedicated to the infotainment and voice commands. The steering wheel column can also be adjusted in height and depth. Over to the right hand side you have multifunction buttons. You have the toggle for the auto start and stop and rear fog lights, adjustment of the height of the main beam, and also once you cycle through the mode button, through these two buttons you can also cycle through the options of the trip computer. Over the driver's armrest you have the power windows and power mirror controls, and the infotainment unit is a Citroen You&Me Connect, fitted with both DAB radio, navigation system powered by TomTom, which also offers connected navigation which will update you over traffic informations, and also Android Auto and Apple Carplay through the USB cable. Just underneath it you have the air conditioning controls, the heated mirror settings, central locking unit, and traction control toggle. This vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Relay panel van in L3 H2 configuration. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.